Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the new Xiaomi vacuum cleaner G20 Lite. This I got from Noon in UAE for about 354 dirhams. Now let's unbox. I hope that this will work smoothly because I got it for an offer and this one, I can return it if it's not working, but it comes without any warranty. So I cannot do anything like if it is not, if it stops working after a few days or few months. So I was trying my luck. Let's see. I was seeing a lot of advertisements about the Xiaomi G20 Lite from different countries, and I think this one is going to be a good one. Okay. Now this is the moment of truth. Let's uh, open. It's a bit tight in there. Let's do it slowly. So finally, this is our product. This is the Xiaomi G20 Lite. We have a brochure inside. Okay. Okay. And this is the back. And we have the brush. Okay. Let's take it back and fit it together. Okay, this comes with this metal tube. We can attach it on the motor here. Let's try to attach it. Okay, we have. Okay, so this is how we attach with this, and here we can attach. We can open this part. Now over here as well we have a switch here. We can attach it smoothly. This will here click. Okay, so this is the new. Guys, this is our vacuum cleaner, Xiaomi G20 Lite. Now this is working in the light mode. Let's try with some dust. Okay. Okay. This is now in turbo mode. No need of turbo mode. Okay. Now take it. It's picking everything even without the turbo mode. It has a light to show the dust, and now you can see that this is very clear. Now it's very clear. You can see that we are getting a charger with it, and it will run about 40 minutes in the light mode, and it has about 18 kPa, that is 18,000 PA Pascal or pressure, and it has LED, and the dustbin is easy to enter.
Very easy to open and remove the dust. You can see that there is a button here. You can see that you can just click on it, and it will open.
And we are getting also one more brush with it, vacuum attachment, and also this is the wall mount, so we can mount it on the wall and keep it on the charger, and you can use it whenever daily. This I bought actually for the daily use. I had another Wacom. This one it is although almost broken, and the over the years, like this is about 6 to 7 years old, right? I bought it when I came to UAE, and now it is almost broken. So I bought this for the daily use, and I'm very happy about the performance on the first day. Let's see how it will. I will update after maybe 3 to 6 months, and I'll also update if there is some problem with this. Okay, thank you.